In today's video, we introduce you UV DTF, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Jaws from Kingdom. Welcome one more time to the channel. This is your first time stopping by, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and also click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. So guys, today we're going to talk about UV DTF. That's right, so ultraviolet direct to film. So I know some of you can be thinking like, oh, what is this? This is new product, or this is the new DTF or something like that. But believe me, it's not. It's part of DTF, but it's only UV. So I'm going to explain just in a moment, okay? Like I said, UV ultraviolet. So instead of using regular DTF that is for garment, you know, for any substrate, you know, t-shirts, jackets, hoodies, jeans, all that kind of stuff, or maybe wood, plastic, or aluminum, UV DTF was made specific for hard surfaces. So let me show you this. So you can think about UV DTF is more like a sticker. So it's not going to work on garment or t-shirt, anything like that, but it's going to work on anything that it got a surface. So we're talking about mugs, we're talking about tumblers, we're talking about acrylic, we're talking about metal and all that kind of stuff. So UV DTF is printed with a special ink, obviously, you know, CMYK and also white, but it's going to be ultraviolet. So this means that this machine, this printer, is going to be printing the design and have the UV lamps. That is the one that every time go past through the design is going to be drying that ink. So it's going to look like this. It's going to be more like a sticker. Okay, so we got a tumbler here. What we're going to do is going to take a look at this, you know, cut it, take it apart, stick it on the tumbler so you can see their final result. And this is something that came new, but it's also something that is going to help you, you know, if you want to offer to your customer, if you want to sell mugs or tumblers, anything like that, you can use it. So you can use, you know, company's logo like this one or like ours, just put it on the tumbler or the mug. Or if you want to make like a wrap for that tumbler, you can also do it with this type of sticker. Okay, so the difference from this to the regular sticker is that this one is anti-scratch because it went through the UV light and it got dry and it's anti-scratch. So the sticker, you know, regular sticker, you can scratch it maybe with a knife or a scissor or something like that. But this one is going to resist that, and because it's UV, it's going to resist a little bit of heat. So I think it's something good to add to your business. So let me go ahead and cut this one so you can take a look really quick how it's going to look, and I go to give you my perspective how it's going to feel and all of that. But this type of film, I mean print designs already, we're going to start offering on our website soon. If not, they're already there because, you know, the webmaster is doing his stuff. So so you can order. So this one over here, maybe it's about, let me see, 24 long by 12 or something like that. And I got here about, you know, 7 rows and then 8 lines. So that's 7 plus 8, you know, you got your number over there, and you can get a good amount of stickers. All right, so let's start waiting time. let's cut this, okay?
Okay, guys, so we cut it.
And this is the design. Look at that. Look, it's so bright and so beautiful. Oh my God, that was my Yoda boys, if you don't know this. Just kidding, guys, just kidding. So we're going to take the transfer tape out. So basically, it's got to be UV sticker is got to be composed of two things. So it's got to be the backing and also the transfer that is in front. That is got to be holding the design. Okay, so it's got to be this one. So we're going to peel it. Oh, my bad. Come on. Sorry about that, guys. Is that I'm right-handed, so I need to do it this way. Okay. So this is the backing. You can throw this to the trash, but then you're going to have your UV sticker and the transfer cable transfer basically transfer film is going to be like this. It's going to be a clear film, okay? So now that you got your tumbler, make sure that the area is clean on the tumbler, and just choose an area to put it. So we're going to choose this one right here, maybe. Yeah. So let me do this. Let me see, because I'm doing this just with one hand. Okay. So we're going to put it right here. All right. Hope you see this. Okay. Just want to make sure that it's straight. And just like that, just like a sticker. Okay. So go over it. Okay. Go over the design. Just use fingers and do it like that. Make sure that it's okay. Yeah, I think that's kind of straight. I think, right? So kind of straight. And then what you're going to do after that, make sure that your tumbler, mug, or anything that you're going to stick the UV DTF is clean, and that way they stick. You saw, it doesn't have adhesive powder like regular DTF for the teacher. It's basically a transferring the inks once the machine prints on all of that and put the backing, this backing, and the UV gets cured. That is going to become like a kind of sticker, and it's going to have a sticky on the back, so it's going to stay there. So what we got to do is just take this one out, right? So don't mind my face, just trying to peel these. Take your time slowly. And almost there. Look at that. Look at that beauty. All right. So look at that, guys. Now you have a tumbler with a company logo on it that is easily you can charge your customer. These mugs are stainless steel. They can keep cold stuff for what, for 12 hours, hot stuff for 6 hours. It's got to be personalized with the company logo on all of that, and you got to deliver these to your customer, really nice in the box pack and all. Or I don't know if your customer come to you, and you're going to give these to your customer. Okay, so this is really a professional look that is not a screen printing, it's not a sticker, regular sticker or anything like that, and it's not a laser engraving, so it's UV DTF. So the UV DTF, as you can see, you can scratch it. Let's take a look here at the shirt, right here. You can scratch that and nothing happens. All right. So look at that, right? So there you got it, guys. I like it, to be honest. Just in case you, this is a 20 ounce tumbler. This logo is 3 inches, 3 inches wide. Okay. So on whatever size it is here, you know. But just in case you want to do something like that, like this, sorry, like this, you know what it is. You know, tumbler, 20 ounces, 3 inches, UV DTF sticker. And like I said, again, we go to start offering UV DTF sticker on our website. So basically what you got to do is download a file. It's got to be 12 by 24 by 12, or maybe 24 by 24. And you're going to put there your artwork. You're going to put whatever you want to get print. You're going to put it right there. If you want to make stickers like these, 3 inches, so you need to prepare your art. So how many stickers you want, and put it there, okay? Or let's say that you want maybe, I don't know, something bigger. You want something like this sticker. So you need to calculate how many you need of those, and that you can use the space over there from the template, so you can stick it over here, okay? Also the wrap. So take the measurements from the tumbler if you want the wrap. Like start at one point, you know, measure all your tumblers, and you know, that part over there, and then how many space you got here, so you can make the wrap. So we're going to try do another video about this UV DTF, and we're going to try to do a wrap of one tumbler similar to this one. I don't know, whatever I can get on my head. Because we are not receiving tumblers yet, so we planning to have tumbler supplies on our website too, because it's got to be something that is going to go hand by hand with the UV DTF. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, about UV DTF, and you know what is it, for which one it is, and all of that. You know, regular DTF like this one for clothing, you know, t-shirts, shirts, hoodies, all type of garment, you know, poly, cotton blends on leather jacket, all of that. And then the UV DTF for hard surfaces like this one, tumblers, mugs, acrylic, you name it. Even this, even our inks that we sell, if I want to put a UV sticker, I take this one out and I just put it there because it's a hard plastic, you know, it's a hard surface. So that is the difference between DTF and UV DTF. Okay, guys? So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, just put it on the comment below. As always, my name is Joss from Kingdom. I will see you in the next one. Keep printing.